Welcome to the DTG Facility Operation Guide. This video will cover the basics for the Maltby location, including point of entry, scaling loads, safety requirements, dump locations, and accepted materials. The entrance is on the north side of the facility. Enter the facility and tell the scale attendant whether you have an account with us and what type of material you have. Park your vehicle squarely on the scale so the attendant can properly weigh your load. The attendant will record your entry weight and wave you through. Before continuing, ensure you have the proper safety attire. This includes a safety vest, hard hat, safety glasses, closed-toe boots, and work gloves. Some of these items may be provided at the scaling booth. However, it is best to arrive prepared. Proceed to the dumping station located directly in front of you and around the opposite side of the structure to the right. A DTG staff member will guide you to the proper location where you can begin unloading. The Maltby facility accepts a variety of material, including wood, metal, aggregate, cardboard, paper, plastic, and drywall. For a full list, visit our website. After unloading, leave the facility on the exit side of the scaling booth you passed through when entering. Brake your vehicle squarely on the scale for exit. The attendant will weigh your empty vehicle and calculate the final cost based on your entry weight. When the transaction is complete, return any borrowed safety gear. Now exit the facility. Thank you for visiting the DTG Maltby facility.